Hello students, I am Sachin Kumar and today topic is equation of motion. Now let us start equation of motion y graphically method. Derivation of the equation of motion y graphically method. Draw the graph O is origin point and at a point A initial velocity. Initial velocity but not 0, so arrange at a point A and final velocity at point E. It uniform acceleration, so so the graph. Now zone A2 and point T and O2 and point C. Now B to C and O to A. Let OC and OA U initial velocity and O2 E final velocity. Now derivation of the first equation of motion V equal U plus AT. To prove V equal U plus AT, the velocity time graph for a uniformly accelerated body is given by the straight line AB. The straight line AB. Acceleration equal slope a line AB and BD upon AD. Acceleration equal change of the velocity upon time taken. So BD upon AD, BD BC minus DC upon AD. To find BD, BC minus DC, left BD. So BD equal BC minus DC by AD. OC equal AD equal T. OC equal let T and AD equal, so OC equal and AD equal T and OA equal CD equal U initial velocity and OE equal BC equal V final velocity. Now acceleration equal BD upon AD. Acceleration A and BC V and DC U and AD T. So acceleration equal V minus U y T. Let 1 and cross multiplication A and T AT and V minus U. Change the side of U, AT plus U and V. Its side is U negative and other side is positive. Change the side of U, then positive. V equal U plus AT. Hence prove first equation of motion. A equal V minus U upon T. A multiply T, AT, B minus U, and change the side of u plus at, v equal u plus at, to prove first equation of motion. Now derivation of the second equation of motion, s equal e2 plus half at square. Now distance traveled, s equal area of the trapezium OABC. OABC in figure trapezium. S equal area of triangle ABD plus area of rectangle OADC. S equal half base into height plus length into breadth. S equal half base AD in triangle A point and D point and B point. We know that area of right angle triangle 1 upon 2, area of right angle triangle 1 upon 2 base into height. AD denoted by T and BD find. So one rectangle and point C, BC find. Then BC equal BC minus DC equal BD. Now S equal half base AD and height BD, length OC and breadth OA. AD equal T, BD, to find BD equal BC minus DC, B minus U. Then putting the value of B, y equation first, U plus AT, then put U plus AT minus U, U and U cancel out, then left AT. So BD value of AT and AD value of T and OA value of U. So S equal 1 upon 2 base AD and height BD plus length of rectangle OC into OA. 1 upon 2 AD denoted by T and BD, let BD AT left. Now solving. BD equal BC minus DC, B minus U, and putting the value of B, then cut off B, left AT plus OC T and OA U. Now 1 upon 2 AT multiply T, AT square, and U multiply T, UT. S equal E2 plus half AT square. This is equation of motion, second equation of motion. So S equal half value of AD T and BD AT plus OCT and OA U. Then solve. S equal et plus half at square. Hence prove that second equation of motion. And now derivation of the third equation of motion, 2as equal v square minus e square. Distance travelled S equal area of trapezium OABC. Area of trapezium OABC, Y figure. OA and BC, trapezium. In trapezium, OA and BC, two parallel side, and OC perpendicular to parallel side. Now distance travelled S equal area of trapezium OABC. We know that area of trapezium formula S equal 1 upon 2 sum of parallel side into perpendicular distance between the two parallel side. So using the formula, area of trapezium S equal 1 upon 2 sum of parallel side into perpendicular distance between the two parallel side. Now two parallel side, Y figure, OA and BC, OA plus BC sum of two parallel side, then OA plus BC, and OC perpendicular distance between the two side perpendicular OC. So OC S equal half OA plus BC into OC. Substituting the value of OA, BC and OC from above. Y figure, OC equal AD equal T, OC AD equal T, OA CD equal U, OE equal BC equal V. Now putting the value of OA, BC and OC, S equal half OA value U, OA value of U, then U plus BC value of V, BC value of V, V, and OC value of T, OC value of T, then T. Let first equation. First equation of motion, V equal U plus AT. We know first equation of motion, V equal U plus AT. V equal U plus AT. To find AT, so change the side of U, V minus U, then AT, and T find, then V minus U divided by A. T equal V minus U upon A. So T equal V minus U upon A. Substituting the value of T in equation first, in equation first, s equal half u plus b into t. The value of t in equation first put, so s equal half u plus b into value of t v minus u upon a, then put t v minus u upon a. Then s equal 1 upon 2 sum of parasite OA and BC and perpendicular OC, then 1 upon 2 OA U and BC V and OC T. So value of t equal v minus u upon a, then 1 upon 2 u plus b and v minus u upon a. S equal 1 upon 2a and u plus b and b minus u. Then 2a multiply s, 2as and u plus b and b minus u. Now 2as equal v multiply u, uv, b multiply v, v square, u multiply u, u square and u multiply v minus u. uv cut and left v square minus u square. 2as equal v square minus e square. Its equation, third equation of motion. Hence prove that third equation of motion. Equation of motion very important for class 9, first, second and third.